Says Jingle Cruise.
Hey there, welcome in.
Jingle Cruise.
On either side from TES would like to be. Once it's green, we're gonna come on now.
Yay!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Jingle Cruise. Let's look at all the decorations they've got. Have a nice Christmas.
Dinner party, 6 coming in. And watch your step.
Right here next to my shoe, okay? And my friend here, you're gonna sit right on that square, okay? That's the best seat in the house. Actually, it's really the same as the other ones, round, hard, and uncomfortable, but, you know, I figured I'd try to sell it. I watch your step, everybody. Use those handrails. Come on board, come on board. Actually, don't come on board, come on excited. And it's much better to be overexcited than overboard.
Hi, back guys, just make sure you fully scoot it down. You're going to scoot all the way down. One step, more.
You gotta fill in all that space, guys. This is like a big family gathering here, okay? Believe me, by the end of this, we will be family. Now watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails. Guys, it looks like we're all just about here, so please remain fully seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and supervise your children. Now, with all of that being said, it looks like we are clear to get on out of here. So pick up your favorite hand and wave goodbye. Oh, no. Not to them, to each other. Not sure how far we're going to make it. Well, welcome aboard the world famous Jingle Cruise. Jingle Cruise. I'm sorry. That was my first Noel. My name is Skipper Matt. That's first name Skipper, last name Matt. I'll be your tour guide, tree trimmer, stocking stuffer, gift wrapper, cookie baker, secret Santa. And if you don't laugh at my jokes, your swimming instructor. Okay, I heard a couple chuckles. I'll take it. Well, thank you. Well, our first stop today is the Amazon rainforest. Now, if you take a look out of both sides of your boat, you might see some of those really large humbugs. Now, if we listen closely here, we might be able to hear the call of the humbug. So everybody, listen. Ah! Oh, it called back. Did you hear that? It sounded like it was right here in the boat. Now, right over here, we have Inspiration Falls, and I know you're all wondering the same thing. Now, Skipper Matt, why do you call it Inspiration Falls? Well, because the longer and longer you stare at it, the more it inspires you to go. Caroling, jingle cruise, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride with Skipper Matt today. Hey, yes, all right, good job, guys. That's inspiration if I've ever heard it. So let's keep on going into the Congo River. Now, coming up behind me, we got our boats, baits, and bite shop. And you guys came on a great day, because they're about to throw the biggest holiday party ever thrown in the Jingle. It's going to be so much fun. We're going to celebrate Fishmas and Piranha and Canoe Year, and nobody showed up. Well, maybe something scared them off. Anybody see anything that might have scared them off? Oh boy, look at that. It looks like somebody's getting an old tree for Christmas with a boa on top. Yeah. They did a nice job with the wrapping, though. We'll give them that. Now, speaking of wrapping, here's our Jingle Cruise gift wrapping station. Now, these guys are having a blast wrapping the gifts this year. And they're really the best in the business. I mean, check out their turnover rate. It's fantastic. Well, that's going to bring us into the Nile River. This is the longest river in the world. It just goes on for Niles. And Niles. And if you don't believe me, you're probably in. Good, you guys rehearsed. I expected that. Good job, guys. Now, right over here, we have the African elephant. Now, fun fact about elephants. Did you know they can eat up to 900 pounds of food a day? Well, except on Thanksgiving, then it doubles. And they also have the best memory out of any animal in the entire world. Yeah, sure wish I had a memory like that. It really helped with my job. Now, speaking about elephants, did you know they can eat up to 900 pounds of food a day? Well, except on Thanksgiving, then it doubles. Well, it's going to bring us into the African belt, which holds up the African pants. It's also where we keep Santa's reindeer that didn't make the team, like the long-necked reindeer, the bearded reindeer. You got the really old reindeer up in the back there. Yeah, they're so old, they're still in black and white. And these lions over here are having nice holiday feast with that really old reindeer. Now that reindeer's got an excellent strategy. He's pretending to be asleep to avoid talking to his extended family. Anybody tried that before? Yeah, I highly recommend it. It works out great for me every year. Uh-oh. Looks like Skipper Felix and his crew aren't going to make it home for the holidays. You know, I told Felix you can't try and outrun a rhino. You know, looks like he didn't listen. But he's going to get the point. In the end. Well, anyway, that's going to bring us down into crocodile country. Now, over here, we have two of our resident crocodiles. You got Old Smiley on the left there, and right next to him is his girlfriend, Ginger. Now, be careful. Ginger snaps. She wants up Cookie. But she's been really good this year, so we all pitched in. We're going to get her a crock pot. Now, coming up behind me, I have a very special guest for you guys. It's the one, the only, Frosty the Snowman. No! Frosty, why? That's so sad. You know, he was such a happy, jolly soul. It's okay, though. He'll be back again someday. Well, did you guys get what you wanted from Santa? Because I did. He passed right by my house, actually. I think it was an accident. Although all I asked him for was a hippopotamus. I told him only a hippopotamus will do, not a crocodile or a rhinoceros. Says I only want a hippopotamus. Oh my, I think I found my presents. Okay, you know what though? I should be careful what I wish for. These guys are huge and there's way too many of them. And that guy looks hungry. Let's get out of here. Alright, you know what? Maybe I gotta go find Santa and ask him for a smaller hippo. He's not gonna try and charge my boat. Okay, let's get out of here. Uh-oh. Do you hear what I hear? Yep, it's carolers. Everybody get down, get down. Pretend we're not home. Let's turn off the lights. Throw some figgy pudding at them. They won't go until they get some. They won't go until they get some. I'm sorry you guys had to hear that. That singing was terrible.
Carolers.
Guys, look at that. Looks like they opened their Christmas gifts. They got a lot of bugs, so if you start feeling itchy, it's probably just the Feliz Navidad. Alright, well, get your cameras ready, because here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. Drum roll, please. It is the one, the only, the amazing, the colossal, the stupendous, the eighth wonder of the world, the backside of water. Thank you. It's a little chemistry joke, I know those periodically. I have a few more, but we'll table them for later. Well, it's going to bring us into the Mekong River. Oh my goodness, look at this. The presents, the decorations, that really spooky entrance up ahead. You know what that means, right? We found Santa's workshop. Alright, this is perfect. I'm going to go inside and ask him for that small hippo. Now feel free to take all the pictures you like. Looks like they all have their trunks on. Now, fun fact about elephants. Did you know they can eat up to 900 pounds of food a day? Except on Thanksgiving, then it doubles. They also have the best memory out of any animal in the entire world. Yeah, sure wish I had a memory like that. But it really helped me with my job. Uh-oh. Watch out, Kyle. I'm so sorry. That was really close. That's weird. You know, usually they spray the boat, but looks like they forgot. What's so funny? What are you guys laughing about? Did I miss something? Did you forget why you're laughing? You know who would never forget? Elephants. They actually have the best memory out of any animal in the entire world. Alright, well, before we leave the jingle today, we are going to stop by Trader Sam's Lost and Found Gift Shop. Now, my monkey George is going to take the photo for my Christmas card, so everybody smile nice and big. Alright, George, here we go. Ready? Alright, perfect. Now, if that picture came out good, I will send it to all of you guys. But I'll probably forget, so... Alright, well, as we pull up into the dock here, please remain fully seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat, and supervise your children. Now, I'd like to leave you all with a nice little holiday poem to wrap up our Jingle Cruise, and it goes a little something like this. As we pulled up to the dock, your skipper said with a shout, "Merry Cruisemas to all." Now to all, get out. Thank you guys. Watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys. You're welcome. Merry Christmas. Now make sure you guys go out the same door you came in, okay? Yeah, please don't cross over the middle there. Crossing over is a fire hazard. You trip, you fall, I point and laugh at you, I get fired. Now watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails.
Help me out.
Watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails. Watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails.
Thank you. Have fun tonight.
Thanks, guys. Watch your head, watch your step, use those
Watch your head, watch your step. Everybody get out.